SpaceX Crew-11 returns to Earth following medical evacuation. NASA's SpaceX Crew-11 capsule splashed down off the coast of California early Thursday morning, completing a 167-day mission to the International Space Station, ISS. The landing, which occurred at 3:41 a.m. ET/12:41 a.m. PT in the Pacific Ocean near San Diego, marks an unusual return for the crew due to undisclosed medical concerns. Accelerated return and crew status: the mission was cut short due to a medical issue affecting one crew member, though NASA has not released specific details, citing privacy concerns. The crew, including NASA's Commander Zena Cardman and Mike Fink, Japan's Kimiya Yui, and Russia's Oleg Platonov, were retrieved by a SpaceX recovery team immediately after splashdown. Upon exiting the capsule, the astronauts were transported to a medical tent aboard the recovery ship before being moved to a local hospital for overnight assessment. NASA plans to relocate the crew to the Johnson Space Center in Houston for further evaluation. Mission overview and timeline: Crew-11 launched from Florida's Kennedy Space Center on August 1, 2025, conducting research crucial for upcoming human missions to Mars and the Moon. The accelerated return emphasizes NASA's commitment to crew safety, even if it means adjusting mission timelines. The early landing highlights the importance of medical readiness in long-duration spaceflight, as well as the logistical capability of SpaceX and NASA to respond swiftly to crew health emergencies. The incident raises questions about the challenges of maintaining astronaut health during extended stays in space. While NASA prioritizes privacy, the need for transparency in such cases will likely become a central topic in future discussions about space exploration.